welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram activity in Friends tab not showing problem in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your Instagram Friends tab not showing, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first of all, you have to just open the Play Store and check whether your Instagram app is up to date or not. Search for Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, then tap on see all apps. Tap on the search, then find Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, then tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache. You have to just tap on clear cache. Don't click on clear storage. Then go back. After doing this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon. In top right side corner you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that, scroll down. Under more info and support you will find help option. Tap on the help, then tap on report a problem. Again tap on the report problem, tap on include and continue. Here you need to type, hi Instagram team, activity in the friends tab is not showing in my Instagram account, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this message, if you want, you can attach the screenshot from this upload button. Just tap on this upload and attach that screenshot where you are not seeing the friends tab. After attaching this screenshot, just tap on the send button. After doing this, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram activity in friends tab not showing in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.